Okay, guys, I am back to demonstrate a new function that I created for Mega. It's called Mega Pulse. And the reason why I created this is because if you pay any attention at all to all of the print on demand gurus, almost all of them at some point will mention the software service called EverBee. This EverBee research here, this is a platform that purports to provide the user with the number of sales that a product is doing or has done in the past on Etsy. And so you can imagine that this might be useful to a print on demand seller who would like to get inspiration for or from the items that are top selling on Etsy. Now, so what I've done is actually I've used scraping to get this same data. However, I have got something that EverBee doesn't. And if you'll remember, EverBee is charging $30 a month for this service. And I am about to give it to you guys for free. You'll be able to use it for free on Mega. So you won't need to have your EverBee subscription. And my product, Pulse, is doing something in addition to EverBee that they cannot do. And so I'm about to demonstrate this. You can see this is the growth plan here. And so it's a paid account. I'm paying $30 a month for this. And I have searched Madonna t-shirt. So as you know, I have a Mega store, a print on demand merch store called generationx.art. And I am interested in finding Madonna merch, Madonna design ideas that are top selling. So this is perfect for me, but I don't really want to pay that $30 subscription. So I built my own tool. So here it is right here. You'll come into your Mega account and go down to Pulse, and I am going to search Madonna t-shirt, just like I did in EverBee there. I'm going to find the best sellers. You can see that this is what Pulse does is it shows you what's selling on Etsy, real sales estimates, but also it adds live cart counts, and all for free. So EverBee padlocks this behind a $30 a month fee, and they won't show you live cart counts. So what I mean by that is, let's jump back to EverBee. Actually says that they are displaying the amount of sales that a specific product has made. But the truth is that Etsy doesn't actually provide that data to EverBee or to anybody. What EverBee is doing is basically using a formula to guess based on how many reviews have been left over how much time. Also, they calculate on average how many people are likely to actually make a product review, and that is how they come up with their sales totals. So what it means is that it's to be taken with a grain of salt. It is definitely a useful metric, but it's not actually real sales. So that's why I have, in addition to what EverBee is providing, I am also providing add to carts. So let me just go and demonstrate what that means. So if we come over here and we search cat t-shirts, we can go into this one, for example, and then you can see up here at the top, there's a little call out that shows that this specific product has already been added to a cart by a customer. So that is a really strong indication that people either will buy this or really like this product. So this is the metric that EverBee is not providing. So let's go over to Mega now. And you can see that Pulse has finished its scan of Etsy for the word Madonna t-shirt, and we have all the data laid out right here. And I'd like to point your attention to this drop down here. You can filter by the estimated sales here, and we have all these for you to choose from, but you can see that they quickly drop off, just like EverBee. Just like EverBee. You can see that there's 700 results here, but then after just 50 or 60, there's no sales at all. So that's why in Pulse, we also use live carts. So that is telling you what's hot right now. So if I filter by live carts, then you can see that is a different metric, and it's showing a different, let's see, 31 products here that have already been added to cart, but have no reviews and no sales. So that is an element that is in addition to EverBee, and it's extremely useful and robust data. This is telling you that people like this product right now. So that's very cool, because you can see that this one, Madonna for President, which is a really cool and unique product, is in 30 carts right now, but it only has a modest amount of sales. So that just tells you that this is ripe for the picking. And then if we click on it, we can go to it and we can see that it's a very plain Jane, just text-oriented design. So that might be an inspiration for a product that that could compete quite well with that very plain Madonna for President t-shirt. So there you have it, guys. Not only are you getting the estimated sales just like EverBee for all the products that are listed for this keyword, but you're also getting all of the products that don't have sales, but have a strong indicator in they've been added to a live cart. They're hot right now. So that's a whole another source of product design inspiration. And as I said, this one, Madonna for President, looks really cool and would be an excellent idea for to improve on something that's already working well. Madonna for President. We know that a lot of people have this in their carts right now. It's got a few sales. It's a really cool idea. So then we can just click on make this, and it will port over that data into the app so that you have in here in theme, vibe, and subject, pop culture, politics, campy, irreverent, reality, TV glam, and Madonna as presidential candidate. So then, and then in addition to that, we have the actual original t-shirt. So this is a really cool idea for riffing on it and creating your own version, your own design. So for me, I might actually collect pictures of Madonna and maybe use one of them, like this one, for example. I could actually use this image of Madonna, but with the Madonna for President inspiration, and then create a product that is even better than one that is already very popular. So that's the point here. So I hope that you guys like this. I think that it is incredible. It's for free, and you can get easy design ideas, easy inspirations straight from what's working on Etsy. And not only is my system showing estimated sales, but it's also showing live add to carts, which is a really strong indicator that the product is popular and could be a bestseller. So I appreciate that, guys. I hope that you like this and that you will use it. Give it a try. It's free. So don't even think about paying for a subscription to EverBee, because you can get those same functions in Mega for free. Okay, guys, I invite you to try. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next one.